again. I feel like all I do is move and redecorate. It's just like a constant over the past couple of years. Hi friends, we are in the house. As you know, I moved back into my house and I brought a lot of the things with me from my condo that I really like, but I just feel like it needs a little bit of updating for the space. So this is what we are going to do today. You gonna help me or are you just gonna sleep? As you know, I love and have many cozy pieces in my home and spaces, but my main Ciello couch, which I had in my condo and I adore, I'll do like a full 1 year update in this video as well. It's just like a little small for my home living space. So I got a few pieces to update it. This is the couch as it exists that came straight from my condo. But as you can see, it's a little small, like an awkwardly small couch for this space. I've had my eyes on like a nice large Ciello plush vibe, and now that I'm back in my home I can kind of create that. So I also got a few additions to my other cozy pieces and collections, all in the Ciello collection really, and I'm gonna go into this a little bit more. But a reason why I really love cozy pieces in general is how modular they are. Like, I feel like they grow with you, which is really nice because I don't even know how long I'll be in this home for. So the nice hope is that as I grow into different spaces or as I move into different spaces, this collection and this sofa can kind of move with me. This thing expanded like a mattress. You can do it by yourself, but I would recommend enlisting some help. One of the things that I love about cozy couches is everything is inside. It's actually a lot fewer boxes than you'd think. But also don't forget that the stuff is inside. One of the things I love about the Ciello couch in specific is that the cushions are removable, which when you have a dog is super important, and they are very easy to put on and off. I have had my eyes on this chaise since I got this couch. This chaise comes with this cushion that's literally like a full-on mattress. Lots of people ask about how these cushions hold up, and I will say they hold up really well. It's been 1 year, but you do just kind of have to do a little fluff, like new. If you remember this ottoman from my condo, now it creates the perfect bed in the living room situation. This is basically a double bed if you sleep on it, and I have a full intention to do just that. The moment of truth. Not gonna lie, when I first picked up the cozy couch, this exact configuration was my dream. The vision has finally come to life, but we do have one more thing to do, so up to the studio we go. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really want to move, but you will see my obsession with the cozy Ciello collection when we go upstairs, because I literally got the same couch for upstairs. Just gonna get a little protein fuel. In classic girl fashion, I haven't actually eaten anything all day. Up we go. I have 3 floors in this house and it is a climb. I have not used this studio space in forever. It's literally a storage room, and we're gonna change that. We're gonna change that with this new little sitting area. Also, I do still have my studio downtown, like more inner city, and it's still the place that I go in between like work events and stuff like that, and I still shoot there. But it's nice to have a place in my house. Naturally, I also got a cozy couch for it. It's also the Ciello, also in Sunset Beige, also in XL. And I did this purposely because even though they're separated right now, in the future, when I move into yet another new place, I'm hoping that I can kind of put them all together. Sometimes I wonder if I should keep these covers because I feel like they'd be really handy if you had to move again. You know what? I am actually going to save these. I feel like it's actually like an added value of some sort. There is something so satisfying about pulling these cushions out. My Asian parents would be so impressed with me. Also, the quality of these cushions, I have to say, is another reason why I really like cozy. Like, they're a good cushion. The best way to do it is placing everything out into its spot. 1/2 down, 1 to go. Base is done. So this is basically the setup that I had in my condo and I loved it. So for this little space up here in this little attic studio, I feel like it worked perfectly until our dream manifestation home comes to be. We are slowly building. Here is the final result. You will recognize this because it's the exact same setup, but how good does it look in this little cozy space? This ottoman is like a secret gem for small spaces. We love, because I also have an obsession for throw pillows like every other girl, so you know. Honestly, it's kind of nostalgic if you ask me, because this is, like I said, the exact same setup I had in my condo. And if you watched any of my other videos, you know that it was super emotional to kind of say goodbye to that space because of what it meant for me. It was the first time I ever lived by myself. And just to have another setup like this, but in my like upstairs studio to film and chat with you all in is, I don't know, it's kind of hitting the cheesy note, you know? Let's do a little circle back review. Obviously, it's obvious that I love the Ciello collection from Cozey, because why would I have more than one and continue to grow my collection otherwise? I think the modular aspect of this collection is the best thing. Truly, there's so many different configurations you can make with the pieces that you have, or just by adding an extra middle piece like I did downstairs, or adding the shades or whatever. It's just such a good collection. But as you know, I've had it for about a year now, and if I am being really honest, this couch really defied my hesitations. Like, I had very low expectations, I'm not gonna lie, because of two things. One, the couch is really light and I have a dog, and two, I'm just so accident prone and clumsy, and two, I wasn't really sure how the cushions were gonna like kind of hold up over time. But I've had that couch for a whole year plus now, and not only did I bring it into my house now that I've moved here from my condo, but I actually expanded on the collection. So obviously I really like it, but because of its modularity, and two, because of its wearability and durability. And sometimes they do, like if you sit on something long enough, especially like to have this sort of cushy appeal, it is going to stay put. But literally all it needs is a little fluff, and it literally looks like it did when you set it up. I swear, this couch is magic. In terms of the price point and cost per use or cost per usage, I feel like I'm gonna have these couches for quite a long time. I've only had it for a year, but if you divide it, you know, even by the full year and the amount of times I've used it, I've slept on it, I've napped on it, I've had guests actually sleep on my Ciello couch. And although that's not ideal, because I obviously have my Neptune sleeper couch, which I'll circle back to, it was definitely comfortable enough for them to sleep. Your girl is ready to sleep in all places, or host somebody to sleep in all places. Because in small homes here in Toronto, you really do have to maximize your space. Having a couch that can be something else as well is just so important in my opinion. Anyhow, so in 1 year, durability amazing, modularity, how modular it is, so great, especially if you are upgrading your home. The setup and the delivery and all that remains the same. Obviously, I had such a great experience. I didn't go back into the store to test this couch, obviously, because I have it, so I didn't really need to, but I really do like the fact that they have a showroom to try in, sit on the couches. But the delivery was really seamless. They use a service called Bolt or Go Bolt, and it was really great. I wasn't available the first day, so we actually rescheduled it. They delivered right into my home, which was so lovely. Boxes are all individual, so it makes it really easy to move around, especially if you're working solo or like not with a lot of hands. But that is the little review after having this couch for a year. I mean, I guess the testimonial is the fact that I have another one. I think that is like the biggest testimonial of all. I am in my studio. This is the Neptune couch if you missed my other video that I have here. This sleep kit is like a new thing. Like, I actually haven't seen a lot of brands do this. Okay, look at these carrying cases. So I've had guests sleep on this sofa and have said it's really comfortable, especially if you like a firm mattress. Like, this Ciello couch is plush and you sink into it and it's so lovely, but this is actually made to be a little bit more firm so that when it pulls out into a bed, it has that stability. But this is supposed to make it like a true bed. Okay, let's set it up and see what it actually looks like. Okay, this is the most insane setup I think I have ever seen for a sleeper pull-out couch situation. Does this not look like a full bed? Look at the quality of this. Like, this is quality. These sheets are so silky smooth. I kind of want to use them for my regular bed, but this has got to be the most exciting. Okay, you've got literally a sheet over top, this fitted sheet that fits perfectly, but this mattress topper, look at how good this mattress topper is. Like, it's plushy, it gives like a bounce to it. Like, it literally makes this couch feel like a made mattress. All right, we're gonna pack this up and see how easy it is to get back in to its couch, but like, wow. If I'm being honest, I was actually concerned that I wouldn't be able to get the things back into their packages, but they actually fit in really easily. I used those throwaway bags because, like I said earlier in this video, I don't like to throw them away. Even the mattress topper folded back into its case so easily. And here's the thing that shocked me the most. They literally fit into the couch. This was actually a surprise for me. I didn't know this coming into it, and I was like, wait, these go inside. And it was just mind-blowing, the fact that this thing turned into a bed and then out so easy. I will leave all the links as usual in the description box below, but thanks for chilling with me today. Thanks for at home chilling with me, building things. Your girl is feeling like a strong, independent girly. I don't need a man. As long as I'm in this home, I feel like I want to make it kind of a little bit refreshed and new. As you know, I'm like moving on from another chapter. So we have kind of been in this transition phase, but I don't know, this is like a home remodeling / heart-to-heart vlog. It's just nice to be able to do this with you. I like love that I kind of got to do this with you today. I feel like we got to have a fun Sunday activity of building furniture. Expect lots of hauls to come from this little spot here. Welcome to the new filming corner. Clearly, I am a cozy stan through and through. A few things that I will note about it is like, make sure you fluff the pillows. That's how they look like this and nice all the time. You can also steam them. Like, sometimes they come and they're like a little wrinkle dink, but you can just steam those away and they're really easy. But I feel kind of like a little cozy expert these days. So let me know if you have any questions in the description box below. And thanks for hanging out with me, friends. I will see you next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna be nap time.